Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears in Sprite. First, you'll need about 1 cup of your favorite gummy bears and 1 can of Sprite. Grab a shallow container with a lid or an ice cube tray. Make sure your chosen container is clean and ready. This simple method creates a fun, fizzy, and chewy treat. Now, let's get those gummies soaking. Arrange your gummy bears in a single layer within your container. Carefully pour Sprite over them, ensuring every gummy bear is completely submerged. Cover the container and place it in the refrigerator. Let them soak for at least 8 hours or even overnight to allow them to absorb the fizzy flavor and expand in size. After their long soak, your gummy bears will be noticeably larger and softer. Gently drain any remaining Sprite from the container. Carefully place the plumped-up gummies onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, ensuring they are in a single layer with a little space between each one. Transfer the tray to the freezer and let them firm up for about 3 to 4 hours. Your fizzy, frozen Sprite gummy bears are now ready to enjoy. They'll have a unique, slightly crunchy, yet chewy texture and a burst of lemon-lime flavor. Serve them right away for the best experience. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 1 week. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.